Hello, Patreon. Let's do weekly reading for air signs. Okay, air signs. All right. So we have the Seven of Pentacles at the base, Two of Cups, Eight of Swords, and Strength. Okay, air signs. So I see you trying to make progress with the Seven of Pentacles at the base. There's something that you are trying to improve upon, or some sort of progress you're hoping to see, or some sort of change that you're trying to create or hope comes to fruition. You've planted a seed. You put a lot of work into making it a change or hoping something changes, and you're just kind of sitting there waiting for something to come up, something to pop up above the soil. Now, with the Eight of Swords here, Two of Cups, and Strength, it seems like there's some restrictions around you. Some of it stems from a relationship. Could be a relationship with yourself. Could be a relationship with others. There is a need to establish boundaries. I don't know, there's fear around setting boundaries, though. With the Eight of Swords, it's like, you feel held back in some way. Okay. Well, we have two eights here. We have Strength, we have the Eight of Swords. So I think that you can't make progress on this. I don't know if another person, for some of you, if another person is holding you back in some way, or if you feel that way. If so, they are. If it's yourself, maybe you don't realize that that's the case. Maybe you're making excuses, or maybe there's something going on in your environment or in your life that you don't realize is holding you back in some way. Could be a behavior, a thought pattern, your emotions. You absolutely can overcome this. Eights mean that you have so much strength within you, and the ability to overcome these obstacles and these challenges is very clear here. For you, though, you need to establish boundaries with yourself, boundaries with other people. It may require, it's really important that you believe in yourself. I think you're struggling with fear, with doubt, self-doubt for some of you. If there is another person in your life feeding you negative ideas about yourself, you need to cut them out as well. But you need to be confident in yourself and confident in your abilities and know and understand and have faith in yourself, but know and understand that you are actually a really strong person who's really capable. Strength means that whatever is making you feel stuck, you are totally going to overcome this. It's not going to be easy. It's certainly a challenge and you have to rise to meet the occasion, but you can overcome this obstacle. So I really feel like, there's something that you've been trying to work on, but you are feeling held back by other things going on around you and probably things going on within you as well. So sometimes when we really want to make progress in a area of our life, we really want the end result to come. And we don't realize that we're not really waiting for the things that we have to do in between. You can't just plant the seeds and then watch and wait. You have to tend to the garden. You have to have patience. You have to water the soil, and you have to know and understand that anything worthwhile, anything worth effort takes time. But there's also, like, when you're tending to a garden, and let's say the garden is your mind, you have to weed things out. You have, every time you have a negative thought or negative self-belief, or someone tries to plant a poisonous seed in the garden of your mind, you have to pluck it. You have to weed it. You have to tend to it, care for it. I think there's a lot going on in the mentality that's holding us back. By us, I mean air signs. I'm actually not an air sign. I'm just talking. I think that this Two of Cups is asking you to do self-reflection, but also look at how other people might be impacting this, or how other people can help you out of this. Because that is the other side of this Two of Cups with strength, is that it's possible that reaching out to others will help you bring about a change in this Eight of Swords energy. Blessed be.